and welcome to another session on SQL. And in this session, I'll be going through how the SQL commands can be done in Python environment. Uh, I'll be using the Anaconda as a Python environment. So in the previous video, I have informed you how you can install the Oracle database and SQL developer tool by Oracle, and how you can run the basic SQL commands. In this session, I'll be sharing you the information how you can install the Anaconda, which is the Python environment. So to install the Anaconda, just go to the Anaconda Python download. Just type in Google. So here you can download the environment. Go with the Python 3.7 version, 64-bit. And once you have installed it, you can, since I have already installed it, so I'll be telling you how you can start it. Just go to the program files, you will find the Anaconda navigator. So Python is a language where you can write the commands. Anaconda is a framework wherein you can have different modules of the Pythons. So in parallel, we can also start the SQL developer, which is the Oracle, using which we can connect to the Oracle database. I will be telling you about the different joins in Oracle as well as in the Python database. Using the data frames. So once that Anaconda has been started, you need to go to the Jupyter notebook. Just launch this Jupyter thing and parallel you can start the SQL joins files having the SQL joins information. So let me just put it side by side windows so that both can be visible in the same session. So let me open the Python file also. Notebook. This is a Python interactive notebook. So I'll be sharing over this course. Say database user ID password. You can create anyone. So I'll be telling you how you can create a basic SQL database table in the SQL database, so that the same can be done in the Jupyter notebook in the Pandas Dataframes. So let's first start with the SQL tables. So this is a SQL tables. The name of the table is the first. It has a different column name, user ID, which is a data type of varchar2 having length 10. Then again username varchar2 having length 30, and user phone number again in the varchar2 having length of 15. In SQL you need to put control. I have already gone through all these things in the previous video, so you can just go through it. Since this table is already created, so let me just close it. So create table. So table has been created. So these are the different records I have been setting in that Oracle table. So all these records has been inserted. So there are 5 records: 501, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Fifth I have deliberately missed off just to tell you how how this is behave in different types of joins. So in the same case we can go in the Python also. So in Python we need to import two modules. One is Pandas and another is the NumPy. Here in Python's the command is so this has been executed successfully. So this is the data frame name. So I'm just making a blank data frame having column the user ID, username and user phone same as in our this database. Just execute the command using shift enter. So executed. Now inserting into the record in the data frame, we can insert giving the location, specific location, that is it starts with the location 0. So this has been inserted. Now I am inserting some more records here. So let's see how many. So these are the records in this data frame, and this is Oracle table, and here are the records in that table. So if you want to see the few records, let's say if you have the data table and you want to see some sample records, you use the row name. Show me the top 3 records. So this is a command row name less than equal to 3. In data frame we can use the head with value as 3. So it will give me the 3 records. So this particular SQL command can be done in data frame as df from first.head. In SQL, if you want to see the selected column name, user ID and user phone, for example. First. So you need to just specify the column name and from table. It will give you the element column names only. So in data frame you can write df first, which is the data frame name, and in square brackets again in another set of square brackets just give the column names. You will get the selected column only. Okay. So in Oracle, if you want to add another new column name in the table, first you need the command or table and add one column. This is a column name and this is a column data type. So that table has been inserted. See. So one new column has been added. In data frame, first only we can put a new column name and then give it a value as a null. Nan is a null equivalent of Oracle SQLs. So just give, so this null has been added. If you see, if you want to see, this null has been added. So if now we want to update in this null value. So we can update in Oracle SQLs, we can update the table name using the set command. Update table name, set column name is equal to this where this is a condition which all records will get updated. So rows has been updated. These two rows where name is Suresh. It has been updated with the age 25. Same way in data frame we can update the column name as column data. Just give the column name of data frame. Use the np.where command where this is a condition where first name username is equal to Suresh updated with 25, else keep it is as it is. User no change in that particular field. So just update this thing. See now these two rows has been updated in data frame also. So again we can update other null values like Stephen, Chris and Harry in the same way. In Oracle database we need to commit also after every transaction. So all the record has been updated in the user age except the Harry. So this value can be updated using another condition which is wherever user age is null updated with the 32. So this update is also all records where the user age is null, this will get updated. In let's see the same commands in data frames. So I am updating where dear name is equal to Stephen updated with 30, else keep it is as value. If it is Chris update 35, if it is Harry updated 32. Okay. So now this has also been updated. All the values have been updated. If it is a null, if any value is null, we can use it using the nan command. If username Harry, let me update it again with the null value. So this Harry user is null. We don't know its value. So we can similarly we can use the fill an account, which is a fill nan value, which is the null values with 32 values, and use in place to means update this particular data frame itself. This has been updated. So this is equivalent to your null value. Now if we want to display selected records like user ID and user name. Now table name first, where user name is equal to Suresh. So it is giving two records. Same way we can write here also. In this particular data frame, display me user ID, username and user age. Here also we can give the user age. Here username is equal to Suresh. So it will give me the two records. Also if you want to sort it, order by, let's say if you want to order by username. Let's see, select user ID, username, user age. Now first order by username. If you want to order the record using username, so it will display first Chris, then Harry and Stephen. Same way we can use the in the data frame display user ID, username, user age, and sort the values by username. Okay, you can just skip it for the moment. So it will display the same things. If you want to show in the descending order, just use the DES. By default it is ascending. You can use the descending order. Here you can give another value which is ascending to false. By default it is 2. It will again reorder the records using the username. But if you see, the index is not changed. The original index is the same. It is not getting changed. Okay. So this is the original data frame. So let's create another table in SQL, which is the second table name is second. It is having user ID, user department, user location. It is already created. Let me first develop it. So this table name has been created. Insert some values into this thing. So 3 records has been updated, and then after that I am committing it. So I'll be having 3 records in the table name second. So this second table name we will import into data frame using the Oracle module. We need to import Oracle CX Oracle. If uh, by default this module is not there, so first you need to install this particular module. This can be installed in 2 different ways. One is just insert it. And enter the shift enter. So it will start installing the Oracle database. Another way is just go to the environment. Here. Go to the environment, and here you can see it will show all, whether they are installed or uninstalled, not present, both will be shown. Since I already installed, so it is showing me it is already installed. In your case, it will not be installed. Just click all those things and press here apply. It will install the CX Oracle module also along with its dependencies. Okay. So once this module has been installed, so this is not required right now. So this needs to be imported in our notebook. Connect it using the this is a article in Oracle. Connect it using the connect command and open a connect session. I am just reading all the records. This is the multi-line comment using the triple quotes. Then select star from second. So it will select all the outputs which is coming using this query and make it as a data frame in the df underscore second. It is running it, but successfully done. So this has been imported from the Oracle database, okay, along with its column names. So let's start with the topic of SQL joins. First we will go into the Oracle. First we will understand about inner join, which is the records which are common to the first and the second table. Now we have 2 tables. One is the first having user ID, user department and user location. and we have the second table which is having the user ID, user department, and user location. So we will join these two tables using the user ID, which is a common column between the two. Okay. So this is the syntax. Select star from first, give some alias, which is the f is the alias for first table. Put a inner join, then second, and alias for second table. This is the on which particular thing you need to join it. So first, the first f means first table. F dot user ID means first use the user ID of the first table, and user ID of the second table, which is the S. This is the output of the inner join. If you see graphically what is inner join, so if this is the table A and this is table B, so all these records which are common to A and B will come in the inner join table. And this is the syntax which we have used in the article. Okay. The same thing as the same thing. So since there are two records only which are common to first and second table, which is I01 and I02. So if you see in the first table we have I01, 2, 3, 4, 6, and in the second we have I25. So I and I01 and I02 are the only common records, so both have come. Okay. Using this image. So same thing we will see how we can do it in the data frame. Before executing the same thing in the data frame, we need to first make sure that the data frame index has been set as the common column name, which is the user ID. This is the command where you can set the index. Right now it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we need to set it as a user ID. This has been set. So now this is the index field now. Index field has been changed. In the second also same user ID needs to be set as the index. This has also been set as the index. Since if you see in the first data frame we have the user ID in the small case, while in the second data frame we have the user ID in the caps. So this will not be able to compare both the records, so we need to put it in a common case. So I'll be setting the column names in the second data frame into lowercase using this particular command. Set df second columns is equal to I dot lower for I in df second columns. So it will select all the columns one by one in the second data frame and put it in the lower form and setting it the corresponding column. As you see, this has been set. Again, this user ID has been set as an index. So in data frame we can run the inner join as PD, which is the pandas module. In that module we have one function as a merge, which will merge both the records and giving the first data frame, second data frame name, this is a key name where this needs to be done. Okay. So this is the inner join by default. So it will give all the common records from both the data frames. This is equivalent of your inner join query in the SQL. Okay. Now we'll learn in the left join. Left join is basically your all the records from table A and the common one also. In the inner join we have only the common ones, but in the left join all the records of first table will be shown along with the common records. So let's run in Oracle SQL. Like the same, instead of inner we will just put the left. That's it. If you notice the inner, we have the inner here. Inner here, so it will replace with the left. That's it. So it has given me all the records of table A and only the common records from table B. And all the records which are absent in the second table will be shown as a null. Let's see how this can be done in the data frame. Left join. Again, we need to give one more parameter in the merge function. First database data frame, second data frame on, this is a key user ID, and how just give a left, means left join. This is a left join. Again, this is output is the same as the SQL one. This is right join, which is the opposite of the left. In this way, all the records of B along with the common records. So it will give me all the records of table B and only the relevant record from the first table, and which are the records which are not present in the second table will be shown as a null. Let's see how this can be done in the Pandas data frames. Instead of left, we need to just put a right. So this is the output. This is only your Oracle. There is one more thing in the left join, that if you want to left join excluding the common records, means we want to show only these kind of records. Exclude all the common records. Show me all the records of column table A excluding the common ones. In Oracle we can use it, since if you notice in the left join in the left join, the columns which are absent in the second table are null. So using this criteria, that wherever user ID is null, we will be able to show only those records which are only present in the first table. Using where condition, where user ID is null, so it will exclude all the common records and show only the records which are present in the first table. So these are the records. Let's see how this can be done in the data frame. Here we need to give one indicator here as another parameter of the merge. Put it as outer and query it as a left only, and all the null records just drop all those things. running right now. Okay, output. So it is showing me all the records which are present only in the table 1, the data frame 1, and absent in the data frame 2. So same case we can run for the reverse also. Right join and F user ID is null to show this type of records, excluding common or this one. Now one last join is left, which is a full join, also known as the outer join, which will show me all the records of table A as well as table B in their common records also. So in the Oracle we can write it as a full join, So it is showing me all the records of column A, table A, and it is also showing me the common records. Remember that I05 was not present in table 1, so it is also showing me those records also. And it is also showing me all those records which are present in first table and not in second. So it is showing me all the records of A and B. Let's see how this can be done in the data frame full join. Just put it as a outer. That's it. So it is showing me all the records. So this is different 5 different types of joins which we can run in the, or rather 6 types of different joins we